What we do here is go back.
Packaging is really simple. It's got this nice little strip right here. Take it off. Fortunately enough, I haven't cut my fingernails in a while. Oh, they got that on there good. And very simple packaging. Kind of reminds me of a tub of shave soap, actually. It's about the same size as the soap bars. Very small, very simple. Nothing too glamorous. Comes with some nice packaging material. Got the Echo Dot and power cords. In terms of cord length, much like many other assistant devices, it comes with quite a bit. Enough to probably sit it on your nightstand next to your bed is where I'm going to go with mine. Probably just enough. I'd say somewhere in the window of about 4 feet. Maybe as much as 5. So get started, you just basically want to turn it on and it starts running through its little startup process. And while you're at it, you're going to go ahead and install the Alexa app.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, I think I'll do that.
Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
So what I just did was I got this set up to my Wi-Fi. It just automatically detected it, and now we're just going to continue through that process. Yeah, I had basically 3 options when I first walked in to connect. Okay, continue. And there is my Wi-Fi. And then I got to put in my information here. And pretty simple, it's just talking out to my router. Nothing fancy. And just go ahead and click continue through that. What I like about this is they're actually giving you a full video, which is really nice. The other thing I have discovered while we're waiting about this is it's actually got Bluetooth on the inside of it, so you can connect up a Bluetooth speaker. Even this little tiny Amazon Dot has that capability. Google Home, on the other hand, does not have that feature.
Cable or pair with supported Bluetooth speakers. Amazon Prime members can listen to over 1 million songs on Prime Music for free. Just ask for a specific artist, genre, or let Alexa pick for you. For example, say, Alexa, play some Prime music.
What's in the news?
Here's your flash briefing. In NPR News from TuneIn.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Speer.
Okay,
President-elect Trump is nominating former Labor Secretary
Alexa, play some music.
Here's a stage.
I notice with the music I'm having a much harder time with the Amazon Dot than what I am with Google Home, streaming through their services. Alexa, stop. So overall first impressions of the Alexa Dot, not bad for what you get for the money. Now you can retrain it to say other things. There's lots of features inside the app. I'd also check out, like with Google Home, if this then that. There's a ton of applets for both the Google Home and this. I know you all know that I'm pretty much more partial to Google products. I use Android all the time. But this is great. This is perfect for what I wanted. Nothing too glamorous. The speaker is okay, but overall good. It understood me. It heard what I had to say.